What's up, you guys? Dan Russell here, and I'm really excited tonight because I'm going to show you how I made and how to use a JavaScript bot that'll get you more Instagram followers. Now, are you tired of just clicking the follow button on all of your suggested Instagram followers list? This bot will do that automatically for you, and you can expect a certain percentage of those people to follow you back and maybe interact with your stuff. Now, just keep in mind your intentions here. These are going to be cheap followers. They're not going to be loyal followers of your content. This is just to get a cheap, 50 to 100 followers in a few hours. Some disclaimers I'm going to read you. Instagram limits the amount of people you can follow in a certain time frame. So this bot will only follow about 30 people at a time, so you can just stop it and restart it whenever you want. You can only follow 20 to 60 users in an hour because Instagram will block you by just not allowing you to click follow anymore. And they only allow a maximum of 100 to 200 users per day and a maximum of 7,500 users total. So just use this tool at your own risk, and without further ado, I'm just going to show you how to use the bot, and then I'll walk you through the steps on how I made it for all you nerds out there. All right, so here we are in my computer. You're going to start off by going to github.com/DanielRussellLA/Instagram followBot JavaScript. And once you're there, you're going to just click on the followBot.js. You can see the instructions right here on how to use it, but I'm going to go through those instructions right now. So here's the code. It's very simple. It's just a little JavaScript snippet. You're just going to copy it, Command C, and go to your Instagram. So on Instagram, you're going to go to instagram.com/explore/people/suggested. And of course, you're going to need to be signed in. That goes without saying. So you can open up your JavaScript console by clicking Command-Option-J, and it should bring up your console. It might actually bring it up at the bottom like this, but for viewing purposes, I'm going to put the doc on the right here. So what you do is, since you've copied that code, you just paste it right here, and you press enter, and watch it go to work. See, it's following all these people. Now I'm going to let it follow until it gets to about 30 people here, and it should stop. Either that or Instagram will, okay, there you go, it stopped. Now if you run it again, it'll continue. Well, I would refresh the page first before running it again. You can just press Command V and enter again, and it will start following. And I'm going to try to show you, Instagram will probably rate limit me here, and yep, it's not allowing me to click follow. See, and you see these errors. So when that happens, just refresh the page and wait for, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes and try using this tool again. That's how you use it. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to actually show you how I made this bot. So in a new text editor, just make a JavaScript file called followBot.js, or call it whatever you want. And let's get coding. So I'm going to start with an iffy, which is an immediately invoked function in JavaScript. And this is just an anonymous function right here. And I wrap it in parentheses, and then I call it with another parentheses. Cool. So I'm going to start with a counter. Let's call it I, make it equal to 0. And then I'm going to make an interval. So const, I'll just call it follow interval equals set interval. I'm going to run it every 500 milliseconds, so it's really fast and saves us time. And I'm going to have an exit condition that says if I is greater than or equal to 30, then clear interval, follow interval, and then I'm going to return out. Otherwise, let's get all the buttons. And select the next button in the list. Buttons I. And then we're going to click them with JavaScript. Then increase the counter, and this should work. Let's see. So I'm going to copy this code, paste it in my console, and let's see it go to work. There you go. All right, I'm gonna refresh to make it stop. All right, so it's been about maybe 10 hours since I last ran that code, and I just wanted to do a quick follow-up and show you guys how many followers I got back from it. So if you see on my account right here, I got about 7 new followers and 1 interaction with my photo, 1 like. So just with that little time of running that one bot for that short amount of time, I got around 7 followers. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. If you got value out of this video, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and get the bell on, folks. Please leave a comment down below and telling me what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. I really appreciate all of you watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.